Okay, ready when you are.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, my name is Kevin, and this is my colleague Victor.
Yes.
Who's gonna begin to introduce the product. Our product.
First time, bonjour, no. Bonjour, good morning, everyone. First time, I want to explain us our product. It's a small car. Is it the new type of this class of car? No, is it called Mr. Potatoes? It is very intelligent. We have a very good qualities and all the stuff. Who is gonna explain all that? My colleague Kevin.
Okay. So at first, I want to say to you that it's a car very reliable. So we are talking about a Spanish car with a German quality. It's an amazing car, and this car is small, but it's very comfortable. It is 4 meters long and 2.5 meters wide. The engine has 2,000 cubic meters and 175 horses. The kind of carburant is gasoline. Yes.
Actually, 2 days ago we have been in Germany and we were watching the mechanic test of our product. Was in a circuit, a professional circuit, because some car of them was preparing for being in competition. So we was watching all the stuff that the cars can do it, and it's impressive. That car is amazing. Will be the best of all the mini cars. Mr. Potato is the future. It's gonna be the best car ever. So if you was thinking in sell cars like this, selling cars like this is your time to do a good business. What do you think about it?
I think my colleague is very true. It's an amazing car. We are expecting to sell our product all around the world. So to begin, maybe in the United States, in China, we have very good expectations about our sales.
Remember, Mr. Potato.
Yes,
Yes. Yeah, if you wanna know more information about the new car, pass to
My colleague.
Dom or whatever we should call it, and we will give you more information.
And remember, Mr. Potato.